Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fine at your home and doing studies well. Yes students, today we are doing here the factors and multiples and worksheet 7. In the worksheet 7, there is given that the prime and the composite numbers. We will do here the prime and the composite numbers in the worksheet 7. Students, as we know, in the chapter starting we have done the even and odd numbers are there which are divided by 2 or which are not divided by 2, that are even and odd number, and but there are the prime numbers and the composite numbers. These are the name, there is the name here, the prime, it means their prime factor is only 1 and the number itself. There are exactly 2 factors of any number. If exactly 2 numbers of factors are there of any number, only 2 factors are there, then it must be the prime number. And if any number have more than 2 factors, it means that number is composite number. Is this clear, students? Now we will have the prime numbers. Let's suppose that there is the one number 1, but 1 has only one factor, that is 1 1 ja 1. Only one factor, it means it is not the prime and nor the composite, because prime number have exactly 2 factors and composite number have more than 2 factors. It means it has no 2 factors and it has no more than 2 factors. It means neither prime nor composite. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Now we are taken here the number 2. It has the factors 1 and 2 here. 1 and itself, if 1 and itself, it means this is the prime number. Is this clear, students? 1 and itself. Only 2 prime factors are there. Now a number is 3 here. Its factors are 1, 3. Factors, we have done already the topic factors. You know as well which number divides this number exactly, that are the factors here. Prime factors, factors of 1, factors of 3 are 1 and 3. It means this is also the prime factor because it has exactly 2 factors which are 1 and itself. 1 and itself. This is the itself number and this is the 1 number. Is this clear, students? This is also the prime number. Now we will go to the factor 4. It will divided by 1 and the itself number, but another number, that is 2, also divided this number. If any number has more than 2 factors, more than 2 means 1 and itself must here, and other than these 2, there is at least 1 factor will be get there. It means this is the composite number. It means this is composite number. Is this clear, students? Now we will go to the next number, that is 5. Its factors are 1 and 5 only. 1 and itself. It means this is the prime number. Now next is 6. 1 divides it exactly, 2 divides it, 3 divides it and 6 divides it. These are the factors. You have already done these factors, so it can easily to write down here the factors directly. Don't write down the division of division by 2, 3, 4. So I don't need to divide these numbers. So 6 factors of 6 are these. So it has more than 2 factors. 2 factors are this, 1 in itself, and other than this 2 factors are more than 2 factors are there. So it's the composite number. Exactly 2 numbers are the prime numbers. This is the prime number. This is the prime number. 2, 3, 5. Next one is 7. 1 and 7. This is also the prime. Because only 1 and itself, only 2 factors are there. It means this is the prime number. Do like this. All these numbers who have only 2 factors, 1 and itself, it means that number is a prime number. And if any number have more than 2 factors other than 1 and 2 one and itself, there is at least one factor we can find here, then it means it is the composite number. Is it clear, students? Now let's see there are the questions. Definitions I hope are clear there. So now we will do here. Question number first, part A. In the question number first, part A, there is written here that is 1 a prime number? 1 is a prime number or not? No, because it have only one factor. But for prime number, it has to be exactly two factors. So, no. Its answer is no. Now, part B. In part B, there is first part. In first part, write the smallest. Write the smallest. Which number? Prime number. Smallest prime number. There is the prime number. Which 1 is not prime number, 2 is the prime number, 3 is the prime number, but these are the greater, and the smallest prime number is 2. Is this clear, students? Yes. Now there is a second part. In the second part, composite number. Smallest composite number. Composite number is this? No. This? No. Next 4. 4 is the composite number. And 5 is prime number. 6 is composite number. 7 is prime number. 8 is composite number. 9 is composite number. 10 is composite number. 11 is prime number. 12 is composite number. Do like this. There is the smallest composite number. Which is the smallest composite number? Is 4. Yes, that is the 4 here. Now next is 3. Part 3, odd prime. Which are the odd primes here? Odd prime. This is the even number. And these are the odd primes are there. It means smallest odd prime. Smallest odd prime is 3. This is the odd here and this is even here. This is the smallest even prime, but this is the smallest odd prime. And there is, in the prime numbers, there is only one even number, that is 2 here. No other prime number is even. Always. Now, this is the third part 3 answer. Now there is a 4 part. Part 4, even composite. Even composite. Even smallest even composite. Even. This is 4 is even here. So it's a 4 there. Now this is the 5 part. 5 odd composite number. There is the odd composite. This is even. This is even. This is even. But this is the odd composite number. This is the smallest odd composite number, that is 9 here. Smallest odd composite number is 9. Is it clear, students? Now we will go to the question second. In the question second, which of the following are prime numbers? We have to find which of the following are prime numbers. 12, 15, 17, 19, 21, 25, 33, 35, 37. Firstly, tell me that numbers which have no factors other than 1 and itself. No factors other than 1 and itself. It have factor, it have factor, it have factor. It is not divided by any number. It is divided by only 1 and 17. 17 is not in any of the table. 19 also not in any of the table. And 37 not in any of the table. So these numbers are prime numbers. Is this clear, students? We have to, which of the following numbers are prime numbers? We have to show here only the prime numbers. These are the prime numbers. So prime numbers, (17), (19), and 37. And it will divided by 1 and 10. But after except these numbers, this is divided by 2 and 5 also. It means this is the composite number. This is divided by 2 and 4, 3 also. It is also the composite number. This is divided by 3 and 5 also. 1 and 15, except 1 and 15. This is divided by 3 and 5 also. And 21 is divided by 3 and 7. 25 is divided by 5. 33 is divided by 3 and 11. 35 is divided by 5 and 7. So these are the composite numbers, but 17, 19 and 37 not divided by any number except 1 and itself. So these numbers are prime numbers. Now go to the third question. Question 3. Which of the following are composite numbers? 14, 15, 19, 20, 24, 27, 29, 30, 32. First find the prime numbers which are not divided by any numbers. There is 19 and 29. Any other number? No, there is no any other number which is divided by, which is not divided by any number. These two numbers are not divided by any. These two numbers are prime numbers. It means except these two numbers, all are the composite numbers. So composite numbers are 4, 14, 15, 19. Don't write it because this is the prime number. 20, 24, 27, 29 is prime number. 30 and 32. These are the composite numbers. Now we will go to the question number 4 here. Write all the prime numbers between 20 and 30. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29. Write the prime numbers between this and this number. We have to write here the prime number between 20 to 30. Between 20 and 30, it means we have to count here 21 to 29. Which are the prime numbers? No, it is divided by 3 and 7. It is divided by 2 and 11. It is not divided by any number. This is the prime number. It is divided by 2, 4, 6, 8. It is divided by 5. It is divided by 2 and 13. It is divided by 3, 9. It is divided by 2, 7, 4. It is not divided by any number. It means prime number between 23 and 29 is which number? 23. Okay. Between 20 and 30 is 23 and 29. Okay students, now we will do here the question number 5. The question number 5, write down all the composite numbers between 40 and 40 and 50. Composite numbers between 40 and 50 is equals to do in the mind. The next number is between 40 and 50. Next number is 41. 41 is divided by any number? No, it is not divided by any number except 1 and 41 itself. Is this clear? It means this is the prime number. 42. Yes, it will divided by 2. At least one number will we have to get there. It means this is the composite number other than 1 and itself. 42. 43. No, it is prime number. It is not divisible by any number. 44 divided by 2. Yes, it means this is the composite number. 44. 45. Yes, divided by 5. It means this is the composite number. 46. Yes, this will be divided by 2. 46. 47. 47. Yes. Prime number. 48. Yes. 49. Yes. And between these two numbers we have to find these composite numbers are there. Now, yes student, this worksheet have been done, worksheet 7. Now we will do here the worksheet 8. In the worksheet 8 there are the prime factorization and we have already done this prime factorization. But we have students you know about the prime factors. Now we will do here the prime factorization. Okay, let's see there. Now students, there is the worksheet 9, worksheet 8 here. In the worksheet 8, there is the prime factorization of any number. You will see the number. Prime factorization means it have only the prime factors. Suppose you have the number 4 here. You have the number 4. Prime factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4. But there are the prime factors. All are the prime factors? No, because it is not the prime. It is not the prime. This is only the prime factor. It means if 4 have only the prime factor, it means that one is the prime factorization. Is it clear, students? So, prime factorization of 28. Is this prime factorization of 28? Yes, 1 and 28 is the prime factor of this number. No. 1 and 28, this is not prime. This is not prime. It is not possible prime factorization of 28. It is the prime factorization of 28. 7 4 are 28. But these are the prime factors. This is not the prime factor. It means not. Now, this have the 7 4 are 28. 28 is there. But this is the prime factorization. Yes, 2 is the prime, 2 is the prime, 7 is the prime. It means this is the prime factorization of this number. Okay, students? Now, we will take here the 2 into 21. 2 into 21. There is the number 42. 42 is there. But this is the prime factorization. No, this is not the prime number. It means not prime number. 42 is 1. These are not the prime numbers. Both are the not prime numbers. 2, 3, 7. 2 prime number, 3 prime number, 7 prime number. It means it may be possible. 6 and 7, not prime number. This is prime number, but this is not prime number. It means not possible. Is this clear, students? It may be possible if it is divided. It has only the prime factors. Only the prime factors 2, 3, 7. Is it clear, students? Now we will go to the prime factorization of 36. Is it possible? This is the prime factorization? No. Because both are the composite numbers, not possible. 2 to 9, but 9 is a composite number. It means not possible. 2, 2, 3, 3. Yes, it's possible. 4 9 are 36, and it will have only the prime factors all are the prime factors. May be repeated or not. Is this clear? This is the prime factorization of 36 that may be possible here. Is it clear, students? Now prime factorization of 84. 84, 42 into 2, not possible because this is not the prime number. It means this is not possible here. Now next is 2, 2, 3, 7. Yes, all are the prime numbers. It means this is the possible. 21 and 4, not possible. 2, 7, 6, 6, not possible. It means not possible. This prime factorization. Done, students. Now we will go to the question number 2. In the question number 2, there is asking that state the answer in yes or no. In the yes or no, we have to answer here. Let's see there. So students, there is the question number 2. In the question number 2, there is the part A. Let's see. The prime factorization of 15. Prime factorization of 15 is 3 into 5. Yes, because these are the prime factors. It means yes. Now part B. In the part B, prime factorization of 50. 2 into 5 into 5. Is it possible? Yes. These are the prime factors. 2 5 are 10, 5 are 50. It means yes. These are the prime factorization. Possible prime factorization. Now part C. Prime factorization of 90. 90 is equals to 2 into 5 into 9. But this is not prime. But we have done here the prime factorization. And there is not prime. It means not possible. This is no answer. Answer part B. The prime factorization of 99 is equals to 3 into 11. 3 3 is 9, 11 is 99. But this is prime, this is prime, this is prime. It means its prime factorization is possible. This. Now part E. Prime factorization of 63 is equals to 7 into 9. Is it possible? Again, there is 9 here, there is 9 here. But this is not the prime. It means not prime factorization. This is no. Now, part F. What is the prime factorization of this number 63? Yes. Factorize this number as a prime factor. We can do. We will find here 7 3 into 3. This 3 3s are 9 here. This will be the prime factorization of 63. And same doing like this. In place of 9, we can write here 3 into 3. Then this will be the prime factorization 2 into 5 into 3 into 3. This will be the prime factorization of this 90. And this will be the prime factorization of 63. But this will not possible because there is the composite number. And we have to find in the prime factorization only the prime factors. This is not prime factor. So, not possible. But this is possible here. Now, question F. F is the prime factorization of 54. 54 is equals to 2 into 27. Possible? No, because this is not the prime number. So, not possible. Is this clear, students? Now, we will go to the next worksheet, that is worksheet 9. In the worksheet 9, we are having the methods of prime factorization. Two methods are there to find the prime factorization, and next method is in the next exercise. Factor tree method to find the factors. Factor tree method, prime factorization, factor tree method, and division method. There is the division method. We have to find here the prime factorization. Let's see there. So students, there is first method is prime factorization by factor tree method. Factor tree method. It means there is the tree like factors. So there is the question number first part A. Question number is 16. There is the number 16 here, and we have to divide it into the two factors. One is prime factor, that is smallest prime factor is 2. 2, 8 is 16. These are the two factors here. Now again 8 have two factors again. The smallest prime factor is divided by 2 here. 2, 4 is 8 here. Then now 4 has also the two factors. 2, 2 is 4. Is it this clear, students? This is the factor tree method. One number is there and we divide it into two parts. 2, 8 is 16. 8 is also factorized here. 2, 4 is 8. 4 is again also divided into factors. 2, 2 is 4 there. Now there is the number 30. Its factors are smallest prime factor is 2. After dividing by 2, we will get the 15 here. So this will 2 and 15 are the factors. Now there is the 15. It will not divided by 2. So we will not write it here 2. It is divided by next prime number, that is 3. It means 3, 5 is 15. There is the number 5. And these both numbers are the prime factors. So stop this. Is this clear? Now there is the number 70. 70 is divided by smallest prime number, that is 2. 2, and after dividing by 2, 70, we get the 35. 35, 2 into 35, that is 70. Now 35 is again factorized. 3, no, it is not divided by 3, it is not divided by 4, it is divided by 5. Yes, 5, 7 is 35. It will divide by 5, we will get here the 7. These are the prime factors 2, 5 and 7 of 70. Is this clear, students? So, prime factorization of 16. 2, 2, 2, 2. These are the prime factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This prime factor, this is possible 2 into 8. No, because this is the composite number. Not possible. Composite number, it means this is divided by any number. This is divided by 2. Again, this is 2 into 4. Is this possible? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 4. No, this is not the composite prime number. It means we have to again factorize this number. This number is factorized to 2 into 2. It means these are the prime factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, which makes the 16. Is this clear? Now, prime factorization of 2, 3, 5. 2 into 3 into 5. This is the prime factorization of 30. 5, 3 is 15, 2 is 30. Now, there is a 70. 2, 5, 7. 2 into 5 into 7. This is the 70. Prime factorization of 70. Is this clear, students? Now, we will go to the next question. And in the next question, same doing like this. There is the number given here. 8, 20, 34, 44, 21, 42, 38, 45. We have to factorize these numbers. Let's see there. Now students, there is the question number 2. We have to find the prime factorization of these numbers. Question number 2 part A. This is the prime factorization of, we have to find here the prime factorization of A. Let's see there. First, it will be divided by which number? 2. Smallest prime number, that is 2. It will divide. It means this is the 1 factor. After dividing by 2, it will get the quotient as 4. It means this is the 4 here. Now again this 4 is also divided by 2. It means there is 2. After dividing it 2, we get the quotient as 2 here. These are the prime factorization. It means prime factorization of A is equals to 2 into 2 into 2. This and this. 2 into 2 into 2. These are the prime factorization of this number. Now we will get here the number 20. It will also divided by 2. Prime factorization, smallest prime factor, this is 2 here, and we will divide by 2. We will get the quotient as 10 here. Now it also divided by 2. Yes, and if 10 is divided by 2, the quotient is 5 here. This is the prime. So prime factorization of 20 is equals to 2 into 2 into 5. 2 into 2 into 5. This is the factor tree method. Now this is also divisible by smallest prime number, that is 2. So it will be divided by 2 here, and we will get the quotient after dividing by 2, that is 17. And 17 is the prime number. So no need to divide it by any other number. So its prime factorization of 34 is equals to 2 into 17. Now there is the number 44. We have to divide this number. So it is divided by the number smallest prime number, that is 2, and we will get the 22 here. Now it is also divided by 2. We will get here the 11. Now it is the prime. So no need to go up forward. This prime factorization of 44 is equals to 2 into 2 into 11. 2 into 2 into 11. This is the prime factorization. We can find prime factorization by this method. Now we will solve it as 21. This is the 21. It will divide it by 2. No, it will not divide it by 2. It will divide it by 3. So there is the number 3 here. So after dividing by 3, it will get 7 as the quotient, and this is the prime. No need to go again. So prime factorization of 21 is equals to 3 into 7. Is this clear? Now we will go to the next question. There is the number 2 here which divides it, and 2, there is the number 21. Now again this is divided by 3, not divided by 2, and we will get in the next step. There is the number 7. These are the prime factors. So prime factorization of 42 is equals to 2 into 3 into 7. Is this clear, students? Now we will go to the next question, that is 38. And for 38, it will be divided by 2. Yes. We will get the prime factor as 2 into 2, 2 9 18. And now it is the prime number. So prime factorization of 38 is equals to 2 into 9. Is it clear? Now we will go to the part H. This is divided by 2. No, it is not divided by 2, it is divided by 3. And we will get the quotient as 15. Now it will be divided by again 3. And we will get here the quotient as 5. So prime factorization of 45 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5. This is the prime factorization by factor tree method. Is it clear, students? This method is very easy. And now if you will understand this factor tree method, you will do next division method very easy. This now we will do here the next question. Let's see. Now students, there is a prime factorization by division method. There is the worksheet 9 here, and this is the question number 2. That is 3. There is a question number 3 part A, 27, 34, 92, 48 and like this. All the questions will be solved by the division method here. Is this clear, students? For the division method, we are using the same algorithm as we have done already in the factor tree method. First, the number divided by the smallest prime number. So, smallest prime number is 2. Is it possible to divide this number by 2? No, because its last digit is 7. And now we will check this digit is divided by 3. Yes, 27 is in the table of 3. 3 9 ja 27. And now this number is divisible by 3. 3 3 ja 9 and 3 1 ja 3. So prime factorization of 27 is equals to 3 into 3 into 3. Until we get the 1, we will solve it. 3 into 3 into 3 as the prime factors. Now we will go to the next. This is divided by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 7 ja 40. But there is the next number 17 which divides this number. 17 1 ja 17. Now prime factorization of 34 is equals to 1 into 7. Is this clear, students? Now we will go to the next question, that is divisible by 2. 2 4 ja 8, 2 6 ja 12, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6 and 23 1 ja 23. So prime factorization of 92 is equals to 2 into 2 into 23. Is this clear, students? This is the same as the factor tree method. First divided by prime factor. Only these are the prime factors only. We have to divide only by the prime factors. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 like this. Okay. Now it is divided by 2. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 4. So students, there is the 48 whose prime factorization is this. Is this clear, students? This is divided by 2, again 2 divided by 2 divided by 2. Now it is divided by 3 here. So prime factorizations are, prime factors of this are 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. Okay, students? This will make it 48. Prime factorization of these numbers are this. Now we will divide it by 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12, 2 8 ja 16 and 2 4 ja 8 and 2 2 ja 4 and 2 1 ja 2. So prime factorization of 64 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is the prime factorization of 64. Now we will do the prime factorization of 45. It will divided by 2. No, it will divided by 3. Yes. 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15. 3 5 ja 15. 5 1 ja 5. And the prime factorization of 45 is equals to 3 into 3 into 5. Okay students, now we will go to the next question. 2 3 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 1 are 2, 2 8 are 16, 2 9 are 18, 3 3 are 9, 3 1 are 3. And the prime factorization of 72, prime factorization of 72 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. It must be this. Okay students, now we will go to the next question 99. It will be divided by 3, 3 3 is 9, 3 3 is 9. Again it will be divided by 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3. Now it will be divided by 11. So prime factorization of 99 is equals to 3 into 3 into 11. Okay students, after this we will solve all the questions of LCM by division method. Prime factorization by division method. And if you want to solve all the questions of least common multiple by this method, you will on tips this method. Okay students, you will solve again and again these questions, then you can tips this method, then you have this method as on the tips. So students, you will revise again and again this exercise. Now we will have the least common multiple method, least common multiple by this prime factorization method. So you have to remind it and revise these questions again and again. So you will solve these LCM questions very in easy method. Now we will solve here the question number 4 as a fill in the blank small question is there. Let's see. Now students, you have to fill these blanks here. This and these two blanks. So students, this is the prime factorization method. You have to find here the prime factorization. But there is a division method and this is the factor tree method. Same process is there. First divided by smallest prime number and then smallest prime number, and after that smallest prime number we will divide these numbers and write down the questions here. And write down the questions here, write down here the prime factorization. There is the number 2. 2 3 is 6, 2 6 is 12. This is filled here. 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is 16. Now it is also divided by 2, 2 9 is 18. 3 is 9. This is question test. After dividing into 3 is 9. So this 3 is written here as 3. Now 3 1 is 3. Is it clear? Now there is which number divides 25? Yes, 5. 5 5 is 25 and 5 1 is 5. Is it clear students? This will and this will. And here is 9 and 3 and this. These are the fill in the blanks question. And here is also this and this. We have to write here the fill in the blanks. 30 is divided by 3. 3 10 is 30. Now it will be divided by 2. 2 5 is 10. It means these are the two factors here. So prime factorization is 3 into 2 into 5. Prime factorization 75, 3 into 5 into 5. Prime factorization 72, 2 2 2 3 3. Is it clear students? These are the fill in the blanks. And this will be completed here the worksheet 9. Now we will do here the worksheet 10. Let's see there. Now students, in this worksheet 10, we have to find here the LCM by prime factorization. We have to find here the LCM, but method is by prime factorization we have to find. Now there is the prime factorization of 15. We have done already the prime factorization by factor tree method and the division method from both the methods. So we will divide here the prime factorization of 15. What will be the prime factorization of 15. Prime factorization of 15 is, there is 3 into 5. Is this clear? Prime factorization of 90. First, it will be prime factorization of 90. Write it here. 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 3. Now it will be divided by 3. 3 5 ja 15 and 5 1 ja 5. There are the prime factors 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Now we will have the prime factors. Now the prime factor LCM of 50 and 90. It's the important point here, students. Listen everyone. There is, which factors are there? 2, 3 and 5. 2, 3 and 5. There are the 3 factors. Maximum times 2 occurs. How many times 2 occur here? In both the factors. Maximum time 2 occurs only one time here. So write it as 1 times. Is it clear? Now let's check the number 3. 3 is how many times occurs? There is maximum number of times we have to count. There is 2 times, there is 1 time only. It means we have to count maximum times of 3 occurs. This is 3 into 3. It will be done. 5. Next is 5. There is also 1 time and there is also 1 time. It means 5 comes only 1 time, maximum 1 time. It means their LCM is equals to, multiply all the numbers. For multiplying, we can easily multiply. 5 into 2 makes the 10. 5 2 ja 10. 3 3 ja 9. 9 10 ja 90. It will become as 90. Is this clear? We have find the LCM by prime factorization doing like this. Is this clear, students? This is very easy method to find the LCM here. Have done? Now we will do here the prime factorization of 18. Prime factorization of 18. First check the prime factorization of 18. 2. 9 ja 18. 3. 3 ja 9. 3. 1 ja 3. These are the prime factors. 2 into 3 into 3. Now find the prime factorization of 24. We will get there. 24. 2 1 ja 2. 2 2 ja 4. 2 6 ja 12. 2 3 ja 6. 3 1 ja 3. These are the prime factors of 24. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now students, again there are the 2 factors only, that is 2 and 3. First check 2 occurs maximum times. 1 2 3 and there is only 1 time, but maximum times 3 times occur. It means maximum times we have to write here. 2 factor is done. Now factor is 3 here. In the 3 factor, it occurs 2 times and it occurs only 1 time. It means we have the maximum number of times. This is 3 into 3. So students, their LCM is, multiplying all the prime factors, 8 and 3 3 is 9. 8 9 is 72. Now there is the next question, 25. 5 5 is 25. These are the prime factors of 25 and prime factors of 15 are 3 into 5. So LCM of 15 and 25. LCM, for LCM we are taking here 3 and 5 are the 2 factors only. Factor 3, how many times occurs? Maximum number of times occurs, it written here. It occurs only 1 time, it write it as 1 time. Now it occurs 2 times and it occurs here only 1 time. It means we have the maximum number of times. Maximum number of times it occurs as 2 times. 5 into 5. 5 3 is 15. 15 5 is 75. This will be the LCM here. Now prime factorization of 29. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9. 3 is 27. 3 into 3 into 3. Now 42. 2 into 3 into 7. This is the prime factorization of 42. Now, first there is a factor 2, 3 and 7. Only 3 factors are there. First we will check for 2. It maximum times occurs. Only one time. It will write it as one time. 3. Next factor is 3. Here 3 is written as 3 times. And here is 1 time. Maximum number of times occurs. This is 3 into 3 into 3. It will occurs as 3 times. Maximum number of times occurs. And now 7 is occurs only 1 time. So it will write it as 1 time. So 378 is the LCM here. Is this clear, students? Yes. So students, you are seeing here the prime factorization. First we will solve here the prime factorization of these numbers, and then we will take here the LCM of these numbers. LCM of these numbers is the maximum number of times that factor occurs. Maximum number of times that factor occurs. Maximum number of times this occurs here 2 times. Here is 1 time, here is 2 times. Maximum number of 2 times, so there is written as 2 times. And in the same, there is 3 times, and this is 3 times, and this is 2 times maximum occurs. So 3 times and 2 times, we will write it as. And there is maximum number of 5 is occurs as 2 times. So 5 is written as 2 times, but 3 is written as 1 time because it comes here only 1 time. So its product is this, and same here, doing like this all the prime factorization of this question. Now question number 2 we will do in the next class. So have a nice day, students. Bye.